Alright, let's go before security start tripping. Alright, y'all. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So today, we're here with my boy Malcolm. He brought out his GTO. This thing is clean, man. Nice GTO. It's kind of rare that you see them nowadays. The only people that I know that have them is Louis and Jose. Other than that, they're kind of rare. Let's check it out. I like that red interior too. That shit was clean.
I can pop the hood too.
Yeah, for sure.
Exhaust, and then it's got MSD two-step. So I don't use it for launch control. It's just set at 5500 like a hard cut. Okay. So it just sounds good when I smack them.
For sure.
The basically stock.
A little bit of a safety too, so you're not actually redlining shit.
I mean, it red's like 64.
Okay.
I just turn it off.
Yeah, it's just clean.
About it.
Make sure you guys go give my boy a follow on Instagram. I'll pop it up right here. But yeah, are you gonna enter into the contest or what?
I'll pop these probably. I got an extra set.
Yeah?
I'm gonna need a drive home on most tomorrow today.
For sure.
I'll pop those.
If you guys don't know, I'm doing a contest. The next probably like 10 episodes that I do, people that pop their tires, they get entered into a contest that I'm doing. I'm gonna bring the best of the 10 people to a contest, and then whoever goes craziest will win $500. So yeah, I guess just do your thing.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah. Huh?
These are bad to go.
Yeah, they are. They're close.
On the left side is gonna be worse.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
You wanna let it cool down or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still got a little bit of tire left. Going crazy though.
Hell yeah, I'm worried about this shit.
Yeah, they still got a little life left on them.
Hell yeah, no, I was feeling a little.
Yeah.
I was getting a little shake. Fuck. It just popped up for like 2 seconds and then it was away. I had to shit myself.
You want to check your oil and shit? Make sure you got oil and all that?
Yeah, I just topped it off. It's down there.
Okay.
That's probably good.
Yeah, this thing is clean. You got suspension on it?
It's got BC coils. And then
BC coils?
It's got 06 brakes on it too. The
Okay.
brakes on these stock are so fucking tiny, you kind of have to do something about it. But these feel way better. I got sticky pads on them.
Okay.
Feel pretty good.
I like it.
These cars supposed to do here? What did you do?
Yeah?
It's feeling like shit.
Is it?
It's feeling clunky as fuck.
It's just getting too hot or what?
I don't know, bro. It's just that I need to change the fucking diff fluid regardless, but I'm just fucking scared it's gonna blow up.
I feel it. Yeah, if you got that feeling, park it.
I hit it one time and then, yeah.
For sure, it's good. Hell yeah, good shit.
Yeah,
Good shit, my guy.
yeah.
Alright. Bro went crazy. He said it's getting a little hot though. I know the feeling. Don't wanna push
Power
it.
steering fluid right there.
Shit.
Hell yeah.
Damn.
It is what it is.
Good shit though, bro went crazy.
Nah, bro, it's just pissing.
So what's up, you trying to swing the Lexus?
Nah, it's just gonna break, bro. 180K, bro. It's not gonna take
It's all good. Shout out to my guy, came through, swung it. Unfortunately, he didn't pop tires, but it's all good. There's always more videos in the future. Shit.
Hell yeah.
You know, bring some more burners out.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, bro went crazy in the LS1 thing. This shit. I've always liked GTOs. Thank you for coming out, bro. I appreciate
Of course,
it.
bro. Thank you for having me.
Make sure you guys go follow my boy on Instagram. I'll pop it up right here. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Come on. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
All right, bro. Y'all get home safe.
Yeah, you too, bro.
We're in Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you can either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The
you're
bumper
last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
what I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.